Lord went down where the river's been, said to Noah, my child, the end's at hand. Men's hearts are dark, their ways are wrong. I'll wash this world with a flood so strong. Noah nodded, his hands calloused and warm, said, I'll build the ark before the storm is born. He hewed the gopher, he hammered the nail, called to the creatures, come 2 by 2, don't fail. Birds of the air, beasts of the field, all answered the call, their faith